fan.
I just simply bought it.
तो पूरा कैमेरा पकड़ ଆପଣ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ଆଗ କର। पूरा प्रोजेक्ट चल जाएगा।
This project we use three techniques. First is the PIN mode. So since if there is more bird, we use the scan, and bird can absorb the sound easily. So we use the AI voice to alert. It works? Yes. And when the bird enter the runway, and we detect the activity of the bird and its sound to alert like this. To alert him, and by creating different sounds like this, and we change the sound to alert the birds. The advantage that it's eco-friendly with nature, and less manpower is used, and it has low maintenance.
What is the limitation of this project? लिमिटेशन क्या है?
डिसएडवांटेजेस
इसका नहीं है क्योंकि एयर को पॉल्यूट नहीं करता और बर्ड्स को भी कुछ हार्मफुल नहीं।
What is its cost? Both people can afford this.
एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी will get.
This helps in extinguish the fire which may be burned in any property or house. So the components is user the flame sensor. And this is the PNP transistor. And this is 1 kilo ohm resistor. And this is the battery holder, buzzer, and switch. And this is the water motor. So when the fire comes in front of the sensor, then the sensor detects the fire and allows the current to through the buzzer and beep. And then it flows the current to the water motor, and the water motor flows the water and extinguishes the fire.
Why you choose this project?
Because some property are burning from due to extreme hot climate or anything due to burning of some materials. So we can use this in some property to save our land. Zero manpower also. It is automatic. So in normal manual fire extinguisher we have to extinguish by human power, but it is automatic, so it will detect.
Which has all of the farming products such as flower garden, crop farming, poultry farming, dairy farming, fish farming, mushroom, orchid,
Acha, what is the purpose of your project?
the farming project. The purpose of my project is to promote integrated. The purpose of my project is to promote integrated farming system. More I want to know about it because it is the most.
The water will come here, then the sensor will when the water will drop here, when rainwater, then it will send a sensor to a signal to here, and it will make a noise here, and then the noise power make a light here, and when the people who are living in this house come outside and can save the rainwater and can utilize that in human being use, and also they can power the automobiles that they have, and they can use they can save the human power. As ma'am you know, people are buying cars and keeping them outside of the house. Ma'am, then they can save that wipers and the cars windows from the rain and effective dust particles from the car. And ma'am, mainly this is used in big cities, and which we are under the rain society, and then they can save this through the rainwater sensor.
Tell me whether it is cost effective. Can poor people afford this?
Yes, ma'am, poor people definitely can afford this. They have to only do one. They have to.
It works.
Does it work? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first when the parents came, and then so that I applied water on this. So ma'am, by this then ma'am the sound created. So this noise ma'am I turned off for this noise.
When the rain drops, you add the water drop here.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you add. Whether it works. I want to
Ma'am, a little bit sound is coming from here, ma'am.
Sound is coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Light.
As you can see, this little light bulb is glowing by the using of electrical energy.
How it works only?
This is works by a generator that is filled the top which filled with water. The generator takes the water into the turbine and the turbine rotates. There is a motor that converts the kinetic energy into electrical energy. What the energy that is stored by water. What is kinetic energy?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ajit Jana of class 7 Sendava International School. My topic is water filtration. No one can deny that water is important for supporting life in both plants and animals. Human beings equally need water for proper functioning of their body. On a daily basis, with doctors recommending 8 glasses of water in 12 hours. It supports the fact that water is an integral element in the life of a person. Extreme lack or loss of water may cause dehydration of the body and complications. For this reason, government cell is the fundamental unit of life.
It was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 while examining a thin slice of corn with the help of a primitive microscope.
Non-living organisms are made up of cells. Plant are made up of plant cells
And animals are made up of animal cells.
Why would you choose this?
And because to show the importance of cell in the organism, so that we also know that cells make groups to form a tissue, and tissue make groups to form organs. Organs form organs just a matter of they make an organism. If tissue is not there in our life, then organisms will not be made. And the prokaryotic cell doesn't have a proper nucleus or nuclear membrane, but the eukaryotic cells have nuclear membranes, a defined nuclear membrane. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum appears to be rough under the microscope due to the presence of ribosomes in its surface.
The current is flow through one part by end to end. The current, as we take example, producing this AC circuit. The 240 volt of current will first divided into 3 unequal parts. Like example, 140 volt and 120 volt. So that in this type of series circuit, if we disconnect one resistance, then the other two resistance also will disconnected because the path is one. But in parallel circuits, when the resistance, if we disconnect one resistance, the other two resistance will work as usual because the path is divided, not divided, but equally get a similar path. As we take example 240 volt, so the resistance 1 will get 240 volt equally, and this will also get 240 equally, and this will also. This will we have also the formula of the circuit and also parallel circuit.